So today we need to look at the matrix and on how to find the inverse of the matrix. So at this point here we are given this one here, whereby we are being told that R equals to 20 the inverse of B plus Q. At this point, first of all, you need to focus at the inverse point here. Let's now solve the inverse of this one. To find the inverse of this one at vector matrix P, we first of all find the determinant of the number. Look at this one, the determinant of the number, whereby to find the determinant, it is going to be 4 times 1 minus negative 7 times 2, which is going to be 4 times 1 minus that one, it's going to be negative 4 minus, because negative and negative, it gives us positive 14, which is equals to now negative 4 plus positive 14, that is 10. So here now we interchange this one and then we apply the negatives on the horizontal diagonals. So this is going to be determinant, that's 1 over 10. Then we apply the inverse of this one. The inverse of that one, it is going to be negative 1, 4. Then we apply negatives on the diagonal side. That's negative, and negative on this side is going to be positive 7, negative 2. So the inverse of B is going to be 1 over, the inverse of B is going to be 1 over 10 into negative 1, negative 2, 7, then here it is going to be 4. Now, to continue, remember we were given P here. To continue on this side here, take my ruler so that I can underline it like that so well. So R equals to 20 the inverse of P plus Q, whereby we know so this now 20 the inverse of P here, it was going to be, and when you multiply this one here, it is going to be negative 10, negative, that's 1 over negative 10, 1 over, that is negative and 4 over 10 plus Q. The Q we have here, it is negative 1, 5, 6, negative 3. So let me multiply this one, whereby it is now negative 120, 110 times 20, 7 over 10 times 20, then negative 2 over 10 times 20, 4 over 10 times 20, plus negative 1, 5, 6, negative 3. So this one we cancel that one, we remain with negative 2. This one we cancel that one, we remain with the negative 2 times 4, that is, it is going to be, that is negative 4. Then this one times this one, that is 14. This one times this one, that is 8. You see here, plus negative 1, 5, 6, negative 3. So I add negative 2 plus negative 1, then negative 4 plus 5, then 14 plus 6, and lastly that is 8 plus negative 3. Well, but the answer it will be negative 2 minus this one, it will be negative 3. Negative 4 plus 5 here, it will be positive 1. Then 14 plus 6, that is 20. Then 8 minus 3, that is 5. Then that is the answer.